All right, let's jump right into this explainer. We're talking about escaping that endless trap of buying generic productivity apps and actually building your own custom, kawaii-inspired dashboards. Imagine turning simple, plain English instructions into a totally personalized software assistant using Claude artifacts. Today, we're going to look at how you can build a bespoke control center for yourself in literally 20 minutes that is completely customized to the way you actually work.
You know that feeling, right? If you manage a team or a business, your mornings probably look a lot like the old way. You wake up and boom, you're immediately losing an hour just scrolling through scattered Slack messages, trying to synthesize a flooded Gmail inbox, and bouncing between different calendars. By the time you've checked everything, your morning is gone and you haven't actually done any deep work. We are going to replace that chaos with the new way, which is opening one clean, custom dashboard that just does the heavy lifting for you.
So here's our agenda for today. First, the productivity app problem. Second, what are Claude artifacts? Third, connecting real-time data. Fourth, interactive elements in widgets. And finally, the new app building era. Section 1, the productivity app problem. Escaping the daily app juggling drain. Section 2, what are Claude artifacts? From buying apps to building them. So, bespoke software assistants used to be something only the ultra-wealthy had access to. But Claude completely changes that paradigm. When you type a prompt in plain English, it instantly generates a live, functional piece of software right on your screen. That's an artifact. And this quote really hits the nail on the head. The app is shaped around your life, not someone else's idea of what your life looks like. You are the architect now. You aren't forcing your workflow into a prepackaged box or paying some expensive monthly subscription. The software molds perfectly to your specific routines.
Section 3, connecting real-time data, powering your dashboard with live sources. Now, a static dashboard that just shows you yesterday's outdated numbers, that is virtually useless. To make this a functioning assistant, we absolutely must hook it up to live data. Getting this set up takes 3 really simple steps. First, you just prompt your idea, like, hey, build my personal assistant dashboard. Second, you connect your backend tools, specifically things like Google Sheets or Airtable. Claude literally guides you through this. You just authorize the connection in a couple of clicks with 0 coding required. And then comes step 3.
Step 3 is the absolute magic moment. It's hitting that refresh button and watching your custom UI instantly populate with fresh, real-time data. A lot of people totally miss this part. Because you effortlessly wired it up to Google Sheets, every single time you open this dashboard, it reaches into the backend, grabs the latest data, and shows you exactly where things stand right now. It's live, it's real time, and you built the whole shebang.
Think about how amazing this timeline is. While you are fast asleep overnight, your backend tools, like those Google Sheets, are syncing up automatically. So in the morning, the second you open your custom dashboard, the artifact instantly pulls in that fresh data. It acts as a living, breathing assistant that updates itself daily without you lifting a single finger. If a team member updates a metric at 2 a.m., it's sitting right there waiting for you when you log on. Section 4, interactive elements and widgets, customizing your control center.
Okay, so the data is flowing seamlessly, but how do we actually interact with it? That brings us to dashboard widgets. Think of these as the individual, highly customizable UI components that Claude generates for you. We're talking about things like an interactive energy slider, a schedule viewer pulling from your calendar, a priority inbox card, or a daily reflection notes box. Having real-time data is great, but these widgets are what allow you to visually organize it exactly how your brain works. And you absolutely have to try asking Claude to add interactive checkboxes. It drops in these super satisfying kawaii-style tick boxes to help you manage your habits and maintain focus. You can track whatever matters to you: daily reading, working out, deep work blocks, getting your 8 hours of sleep. Oh, and the parking lot for stray ideas is a total game changer. If a random thought pops up while you're focused, you just dump it into the parking lot box. It saves instantly, with a checkbox next to it for you can tick it off later without breaking your current workflow. To keep things really clean, you can actually structure your personal operating system with distinct tabs. You could have a Today tab, dedicated to daily reflections, utilizing that interactive 1 to 10 energy slider. Then maybe a Goals tab, to track progress with a target deadline setter. And an Analysis tab, like want to know your longest streak for hitting the gym? Claude just calculates that habit streak automatically and presents it back to you. It's perfectly organized. And here is where it gets incredibly smart.
After you input your data for just a few days, your dashboard can start plotting out pattern analyses like this. It literally proves how your energy totally tanks when you stack more than 5 meetings. Because Claude is seeing your calendar load and receiving your daily energy inputs, it connects the dots for you. It visually shows you exactly which habits actually correlate with you feeling your best.
Section 5. The new app building era. Saving time and money as a builder.
Listen, by integrating live data and these interactive widgets, you are quite literally doing work that used to require entire teams of funded developers. And this translates to massive business value. Imagine using a personal brand pipeline dashboard connected right to Airtable to ensure an open pipeline of $150,000 never slips through the cracks. It sorts those scattered podcast invites and brand deals into neat little columns, securing real revenue that otherwise would have been completely lost in the chaos. So, I want to leave you with this final thought to chew on. 6 months from now, are you still going to be downloading generic apps that don't quite fit your life? Or will you be building exactly what you need? What we've explored today completely changes the game. The tools are literally right at your fingertips. Take 20 minutes today, connect your Google Sheets, and just see what you can build. It might just change how you work forever.